The stems of the bok choy are sliced up, and they instantly become stunning green flowers. Then they are blanched and topped with a super tasty chili garlic sauce.
This is a quick and easy and super tasty recipe that can be done in less than 10 minutes.
Here I have some bok choy. Bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage and is rich in vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants. It can be found in most Asian grocery stores. Slice out the bottom, about 2 inches of the stem. The stem looks like a beautiful green flower. It's amazing. Do the same with the rest. You could cook the bok choy in many different ways, anything from stir-frying, steaming, soup, or blanching. Today, we're going to blanch it. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the stems inside and cook until softened for about 1 minute. Remove and drain. In the same pot, place the leaves inside and cook for about 10 seconds. Remove and drain. Reserve 1 cup of vegetable boil liquid. Arrange the bok choy on a plate. In a small pot over medium heat, add the reserved vegetable boil liquid, soy sauce, garlic, chili pepper. You can also replace it with red bell pepper. Add the cornstarch slurry inside. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. People often ask me this: how do I stay in shape after eating so much? Traditionally, Chinese focus on eating a balanced meal. After eating oily dishes, we also balance it with eating lots of healthy vegetables, like this bok choy recipe. On top of eating well, meditation is also a great way to stay in shape, both physically and mentally. Give it a try and let me know how you feel. Happy cooking and enjoy!
Absolutely delicious. You can really taste the freshness of bok choy, and it's garlicky, a little spicy. I love it. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!